What's up people, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today is my rest day, so I couldn't think of better idea than going to the gym. And outside is just perfect weather for the gym. Just look at this. If you are maybe wondering, this is my current physique. I just realized that I forgot to film the way to the gym, so just enjoy the workout. Okay, at this point I don't even know what am I doing, so I'm just switching between some exercises, push-ups, pull-ups, and that's basically it. I hope you all enjoy watching the video. If you have any advice on how can I improve my form, how can I improve my pull-ups, push-ups and everything else, just leave the comment down below and let's grind together.